In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video directly to Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to upload from both desktop and mobile, and how to set access so the right people see your content. First, make sure you're in the right view. Look to the bottom left corner of your Patreon dashboard and click your profile picture. Switch to the creator view if you're not already there. This ensures you see all the tools you need to post and manage your content. Next, head to the left sidebar and click Create, then select Post. This opens the Post editor, which is where you'll build everything your audience will see. At the top of the editor, click the video icon. That tells Patreon you're uploading a video file directly, rather than linking from somewhere else. Now it's time to add your video. On desktop, you can simply drag and drop your file into the upload area, or click Browse to find it on your computer. On mobile, open the Patreon app and tap Add Media. From there, choose a video from your library, or record a new one if you prefer. Upload speed will depend on your connection and file size, so a stable internet connection is your friend here. While the video uploads and processes in the background, you don't have to wait idly. Use that time to fill in your post details. Add a clear, descriptive title, this is required, and write an optional description to give your viewers context. You might outline what's in the video or add any notes they should know before watching. Keep it concise but helpful. Before you publish, set who can watch the full video. In the audience settings, choose the tiers that should have access. You can make it available to all patrons or limit it to specific tiers depending on your membership structure. If your video is over 2 minutes long, Patreon will automatically create a 30-second teaser preview. This short clip helps attract new members by giving them a taste of what they'll get. You can edit the duration of this preview to highlight the most compelling moment. Just make sure it represents the full video accurately and leaves viewers wanting more. When everything looks good, title, description, audience, and preview, go ahead and click Publish Now. Your video will go live according to the settings you chose, and you can always return to the post later to make adjustments if needed. That's it. You've uploaded a video directly to Patreon, set your access rules, and prepared a teaser to help grow your community.